Hey guys, Mass here from massiveAV.ca. The reason for my video today is not because of my puffy white hair, but it's for the new products. But before we get to the new product, let's talk about products in general on my website. They're real. They're links. You gotta go and get them. They're awesome. Do it. Do it. Do it. Featured products on my website. I said it before. I'm going to say it again. It's not a gimmick. They're products that I've either used or am still using. So let's get to the new product. What's the new product, Mass? The new product is dash cams. That's right. Dash cams. Why dash cams? Well, lately here in Toronto, when you're stopped at a red light minding your own business, you're getting carjacked. That's right. Dash cams. Because you need them. massiveAV.ca, new products. Dash cams.